to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. I am so excited for this week. We are going to be going on a little trip in a few days, and we're actually going to surprise one of my best friends for her birthday. She has no idea. She lives in Malta, which is a small island in the Mediterranean. It's off the south coast of Italy. We're all very excited, and I've never done a surprise like this for her before. I think it's going to be just epic. So I've gotten her some presents that I'm just going to wrap now. I got her a robe for her birthday. This is so beautiful. I will pop in a picture of it here. I was even considering getting one for myself because it's so beautiful and I love the print, and she's also very into robes like I am, so I hope she's gonna like that. And then she has a son. He is 4 months younger than Kian, so he's 6 months old now. So I got this cute little romper with a white like collared body on the inside. It's so cute, little blue stripes, so sweet. And then these bibs in a coordinating color, like these soft blues. I have these for Kian as well in different colors. They're from Next Baby. They also have them in all white, which I got also, and the quality on these are very nice as well. So I would highly recommend these. I'll have them linked. And then I got some little toys. This is one of Kian's favorite like teethers with different textures on these like bulbs around. So I got one of those, and then these little toys too that are wooden, like shaker, rattles, and like teething things. So I am going to wrap these up, and just generally I need to organize our things for the trip. We leave in a few days. We're so excited. The whole family is going and I cannot wait. Switching gears a little, I was doing a Q&A on my Instagram a few days ago, and one of the questions was to share my laundry routine. I really like this question, and I wanted to do a segment in a vlog to show you guys more visuals. I know laundry is not like the most glamorous topic, but I personally love laundry. I love fresh, clean clothes and sheets and towels, and I do have a little system that I swear by for being more streamlined and time efficient with the process of doing laundry, because I have 2 kids. There's a lot of laundry every day, and then of course there's me and Mo. So I want to share my little system with you. So I have these baskets right here. So what I do with our laundry is that it gets pre-organized and pre-sorted in these different bins as soon as we put anything here in the laundry space. So nothing goes into like a big pile. So I've got an individual basket for whites, blacks, colors, towels is another one, and then I also do one basket for these little muslin cloths that I use for the kids, as well as the bibs as well for my son. And all of these will go into one basket, and I will wash this every day, like this specific basket, on a short cycle. And then I also have a separate basket for Kian's diapers. We do cloth diapers. I have a whole video on that. I'll link it down below if you guys haven't seen it. So already just pre-sorting the laundry this way, it is truly such a time saver, and I know like exactly when I need to do which load because I can see it getting, you know, filled up, and I'm not having to sort through everything. And then something I swear by too are doing short cycles with smaller loads. So I will do like a 30-minute cycle for the kids' clothes, because if you got kids, you know that those clothes just get like stained with food, like colors, like just mud and grass stains and like all kinds of stuff. So I don't want those clothes to be sitting with all this stuff for too long. So that's why I like the shorter cycles and like not having too big of loads. And then also it doesn't get overwhelming to fold everything afterwards. It's not like a whole big, you know, mountain of clothes. So I like to do laundry daily. For me, that feels a lot more manageable. And then for things like towels and the diapers, I will do those every few days. And then let me show you the detergent that we use. This is from EcoBear. It's their sensitive 0% fragrance, coloring, just a nice clean detergent that I really love. It works very well. So this is what I use for everything. I actually have towels in here that I need to put in the dryer. I just washed these earlier. Towels, of course, go on a long hot cycle like the diapers. I don't do a short cycle for these. And I need to do the colors right now. So you can see this basket is pretty full, and again, I'm just gonna do a quick 30-minute cycle. Okay, so I'll do the express and I will do it for 30 minutes at 40 degrees. I'll add in my detergent. Okay, then let's put the towels on. Okay, just pausing that for 1 second. I only tumble dry towels, sheets, and the kids' clothes. And then all of our clothes, I will hang them here and they will air dry. And we get ironing done once a week. So I'll put a section here of all the things that need to be ironed. In terms of fabric softener, I love the scent of it. I love like fragrance in general, and of course the way things feel, but they're not the best for the skin. And I try not to use fragrances and scents like in home products on my body. So I'll usually wash without, and sometimes I will use vinegar in the wash cycle as well, and that actually helps to soften clothes naturally, and it doesn't smell. I would never use it if it made the clothes smell like vinegar, so it definitely does not, and it is a natural way to soften clothes as well. Also wanted to share, I got some new dish towels for our kitchen, and I am so in love with these. How cute are they? I normally do neutral color towels for our kitchen, but I wanted a little pop of color, and I thought the green was so nice. I do have some greenery in our kitchen, like a plant. I usually have flowers here too, so it's just a nice way to pick up on the green, and I thought this was so pretty. So I got these two, came in the set, and then this one right here, and then I got a 10-pack of these sort of sturdy kitchen towels. These are in a light green stripe. Very pretty as well, and just brings a little life to the kitchen, and I think really nice now for spring and summer too. So I'll have these linked if you guys like them. Good morning from Malta, guys. We made it. It is so pretty here. We have just gotten ready and we are about to go surprise my friend. Ken is just napping and Mo's getting ready. We're gonna meet her partner. He's gonna come now in a few minutes and we're so excited. She has no idea and it's just gonna be epic. I cannot wait to see her reaction. Okay, this is the view from our room. How pretty. Got the water, beautiful boats. Outfit of the day, little flowy floral dress. We got Kian. Bag, presents, Nalia, Mo. Let's go. beach right here. How gorgeous is this? Oh my goodness, the color of the water. It's so clear. And there's a little restaurant here. The restaurant is called Singita Miracle Beach. So I guess that's the name of this place right here. And you can even hike over here. I don't know if you guys can see the people, but there's people right there hiking. And there's another little cove in that area. And then you have a 360 panoramic view. And there's, again, like a beach on the other side. Oh, it's so, so pretty. Little boats. We are back home from Malta and it was incredible. So much fun to see my friend and connect and just catch up like in real life. We obviously speak a lot on the phone, but to connect in real life and meet her son was just so much fun. I did film a little bit, I just checked back on the footage, but I was really immersed in being there and in connecting with her. We just went for the weekend, so I just wanted to make the most out of it and really be in the moment. But yeah, it was incredible. They had these beautiful rocky coastlines like all throughout Malta, like up and down the coast. It was just stunning. They do have a few sandy beaches too, which one of them we went to, as you guys would have seen. And the color of the water, you guys, like, oh my goodness, so clear and beautiful and just like, oh, so good for the soul. I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but I had been to Malta once when I think I was like maybe 7 or 8, so I was very young. I don't remember too much of it, but it's a very like charming old country. They've got lots of historic buildings, a lot of culture, a lot of mix of cultures too. I believe like Northern African with Arabic and Mediterranean too. So even the language is like a mix of a few different languages. So very, very interesting. And of course it was just like the best to catch up with my friend and just spend time with her, for the babies to meet. Anyway, it is now the next day. We got in last night. I've got lots of laundry going. That's one thing I'm so happy about, that I have got a laundry machine back, because it is tough staying in a hotel room and just having like the laundry pile up from like all the kids stuff. But that is going. I've been putting away my stuff, but I thought before I put away my travel stuff, I wanted to share with you guys what some of my travel favorites are. So first I want to show you the backpack that I use. I've been using this since Nalia was a baby. This is from Mina Baie. They brand it as like diaper bags, but it is really such an incredible bag, and they've got so many different styles. I've talked about them lots before, but I really like this for my laptop. It's got a sleeve here in the back and it just fits my laptop in perfectly, and this way I can have my laptop with me. I'm not packing it in a suitcase. And then I put all of the kids like extra clothes in here too. It's got these really great compartments all around the bottom of the bag, which makes organization a lot easier. It's got 2 zipper ones too, so I usually put some diapers in here and then my keys and stuff in here, and everything is like just very organized in here, which I really like, especially when you're traveling and you need to know where like everything is. I also like that it has a zipper and this magnetic flap on top, which is really great. And then it's also got pockets here in the front and here on the side. So this is my backpack, and I have traveled with this every single time that I've ever gone on an airplane with the kids. Again, since Nalia was a baby, and it is just my favorite ever. It's so chic and like minimal, great organization inside, and I would just highly recommend it. It's also very easy to clean and wipe down. It's waterproof. I believe the backpack is called the Kinney backpack. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have it listed down below. I also love their Harlow bag, which looks like this, and this is a really great bag as well. It's got all of the organizational pockets there too, which are elasticated, and then it's also got compartments here on the top, which is really great. And this will be my shoulder bag like this, or the bag that I just like put on top of a suitcase. I will have all of my quick like grab and go stuff in here that I need like quick access to. And I also love the minimal design of this. It is so great as a mom bag. Very importantly, I have a carrier. I think it's just like a must with a baby going through an airport. So this is my Artie Pup. This one is in a black cotton. I really like this because it's very easy to clean. Kian will sometimes like gnaw on this with his teeth. Sometimes he'll spit up or they'll just get like food on it. And because it's cotton, it's just very easy to spot clean. And again, I just love like the minimal design of it. This is like my uniform as I go through the airport. Get baby, and then I will strap myself in and click. Okay, so you can imagine baby is here, and then I will wear my backpack. I feel a bit like a superwoman when I am like this because I've got a backpack, baby, and then I've got my hands free to deal with the toddler. It's great. I also love these clear toiletry bags for bringing toys for the kids, especially like teethers and things like that for Kian. And it's clear, so sometimes he even just likes to hold this and like look at this. And then I keep a variety of things in here that I can just give him. I like that they're clear so you can see everything that's inside, and then they're also very easy to rinse and wash afterwards. I'll have these items listed and linked for you down below if you guys want to check anything out. And also, if you guys like my dress, I think it's very cute. It's from H&M. It's cotton, just very nice and lightweight. I would highly recommend it. I will also have it linked. It is so hot this week. Like, it's even getting to 30 degrees, which is insane. I'm like literally sweating right now. It is even hotter than it was in Malta. So these little cotton dresses are just like my go-to, and I need to have my hair up because it is hot. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're all having a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.